What's up guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do this analog CRT TV effect in 2 minutes. So we're in After Effects. This is just some footage I'm using from a little Uzi concert that I shot recently. So what you want to do is you want to first go ahead, let's grab our Lumetri color. Go ahead and drag it to our clip. Let's start off by pushing up our contrast. Then we'll come in here. We'll grab Venetian blinds. We're going to drag that down. Let's put it completion to something. Let's put completion to 70. I'm going to duplicate this effect. So now we have it twice. Let's put our second Venetian blind angle to 90 degrees and it's still going to be at 70% completion. And now you can see we kind of sort of have this checker effect. Let's come over here, let's grab wave warp. Set the wave type to noise. Change the wave height to something like 5. And let's change the wave width to, let's say 1300 for this clip. And let's come over here. Let's grab a glow. For this video, I'm just going to be using a deep glow. It is a paid plugin in aescripts.com, but any glow should do for this tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and set the radius to something like 65. I'm going to push it to my exposure to about 1.4. Just so it's bright enough to where I like it, but also it's not too blurry from it being too bright. Then, once we have our look we like, let's go over here to optic compensation, and this is just going to give us our TV look. The natural bend that's from analog TV. Then once we have whatever we think looks good, let's go up and scale it so we're not getting any of the black bars. Here's our regular footage, and here's our effect. So if you guys found this video useful, consider subscribing and comment down below what you guys would like to see in future videos, and I will catch you guys later. Peace.